Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in GateWallah platform. As you guys know, whenever any important updates, notifications, informations are available, we will try to provide you as soon as possible on GateWallah platform, so you guys are aware from each and every type of details related to your career. So if you talk about guys today's important update, then NPCIL which recruiting through the GATE scorecard, and definitely they released their interview shortlisting. So now like those students who applied in NPCIL Recruitment Executive Trainee 2026 through GATE 24, 25, 2026. So now you are, if this line is mentioned in your portal, you can visit in your portal and check there. If this line is mentioned, you are shortlisted for the interview. It means you are shortlisted, and now you need to fight interview. And one more thing I want to inform you, like NPCIL, once they shortlist you through the GATE scorecard, then the GATE scorecard weightage is 0 in the final selection. That is only for the interview. And now you need to fight for the interview. 100% weightage on final selection is based on the interview only. So you should fight hard for the interview, prepare well for the interview. For interview part, you can read about the NPCIL, what NPCIL is doing. There are lots of power plants around the India, so locations of there, and how like nuclear power you can challenges or this type of things you can study. And similarly, there are multiple like radioactive material which we utilize while creating the while producing the nuclear power, like thorium, uranium isotopes. This type of things you can study. Why you want to join NPCIL? Your basic technical skills and some subjects, favorite subjects from your syllabus you can study. And if you need any support in your preparation, definitely we are always with you. So you can mention your queries in the comment section, and you can also join Kuldeep sir underscore PW Telegram channel and join it. And you can also join GateWallah official Telegram channel. So here also you will get a lots of other supports and lots of other important things and all. So we will try to conduct NPCIL candidates, those already selected, one like Telegram live session and all with you. So you can definitely join there, and we will try to guide you. So those students who shortlisted, you can visit the individual portal and check your status, like you are shortlisted or not. The cutoff and the other things they will release later. So once that is available, we will try to provide you. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Take care.